Over the past 6 months, we have learned a lot about LibreOffice, the basics. It's very important to master the basics in order to make it easier to learn advanced editing things. Now, let's see what we have learned in the last 6 months. How to install LibreOffice from a deb package, how to install another user interface, how to change the language for the user interface, how to check which version we use, how to reset user profile, how to use styles correctly. We learn to use functions such as find and replace, redact, use of status bar and other functions. What's next? We will move on to more advanced issues. So, if you are a subscriber and watch episode after episode, watch the previous episodes. They are very useful. Then, weekly, watch the new episodes with practical exercise. This is the easiest way to learn, by examples. Subscribe. Follow LibreOffice step by step every week. Try to practice the exercise in the video alone. See you in the next episode.